Welcome to my channel again. How to download the Python software. You can see over here on the Google, you can type Python and you can see python.org. You can click on that and you can see over here the tab downloads. There you can find out the latest Python software. You can see right now the latest Python software version is Python 3.14.3. You can easily download from here. Another thing is, again you can open Google. Another software, it is the Spider. This is also the open source. Here as well you can download the Spider. You can see over here download for Windows 10 plus. So this is also a very popular software because it is having a default or inbuilt IDE, even though the running window, all the libraries, very much easy. Another thing is you can go with the VS Code, that is a third one. This is also a very good software for the Python coding because the library integration is very good, very smooth into this software. So these are the three softwares for the Python programming. One is a python.org. From there you can download the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Another one is a Spider. You can see over here. And then the another third one is a Visual Studio. You can check the caption or the description for the links. Thank you.